Now this one is very, very good to help you get Chen. This is the mantra of this Buddha inside. It's called the well protector, or in short in Tibetan, Gense. Who lacks money? Yes, some of you like money. Whether you want to make money for yourself or your boss, up to you. If you wish to focus on more business, better business, and wisdom and merits. This is the mantra of wisdom, merits, and money. How's that connected? Because it means growth. Okay? Om Benza. Wiki Bitana. Punye. Sibi Home. Om Benza Wiki Bitana. Punye. Sibi Home. Om Benza Wiki Bitana. Punye. Sibi Home. Here's the other one from Rinpoche's text. That one is a longer one, right? But we don't use that. We use this one easier for people because that one's very long. Okay, that's the mantra for increasing wealth, increasing business, increasing success. Along with that, on a higher level, wisdom and merits. With merits, you understand the Dharma. The last one I like to give all of you is protection. For those of you who need to fly a lot, travel a lot, or stay in scary hotels. You know, sometimes hotel, the closet's open. I have many friends who told me they're very normal people. When I get them alone, they say, the door open and close. The door open, close. I have open, it's stuck in my laptop. Open and close. The whole hotel, some of them they told me it's very, I don't want to say, like a friend inside waiting for you. There are some friends that tell me when they're sleeping in a hotel, someone touched their leg. I said, maybe it's your husband. No, my husband's not that. Some people would say, touch my leg, as you're lucky someone touched your leg at all. No, I'm not horrible. They say, don't talk like that with the chest, just keep being. Some people need to be touched, like all kinds of people. Yes, horrible, aren't I? They call me the Kumar of Tibetan Buddhism. You guys should know who. I'm so happy. Okay. So this one is for traveling a lot. You need to sleep in many places, or safety from travel. And also sometimes, I know some people don't believe, it doesn't matter. If the Buddha spoke there's a remedy, that means it exists. If there's a remedy, that means it exists. So I believe the Buddha, I don't care what people say. Sometimes have black magic. Sometimes people send you spirits. Sometimes you go to cemetery, you know, Chen Day, you go home, you go there with 5 family members, you go home with 6. You know, they follow you home. Or sometimes they put offering on the street, you didn't look, you step on it, you know, and the next day you're like this. All kinds of funny things, right? So sometimes got spirit, sometimes got ghost, sometimes got magic. That one is very ferocious. Some is very scary. I know, I've seen some people in Singapore come to me. I know one lady, I won't say her name, her husband confirmed. Her husband don't like it, but he confirmed. Do you know, bang pot in her kitchen? It's just husband and wife living. They're in the bedroom, want to go to sleep. They can hear the pots banging in the kitchen. And then if they don't get up to look at the kitchen, you know what happened? Somebody pulled the lady by the leg out of there, the husband can smell. I said to the husband, how do you feel? He says, I don't want to talk about it, I don't like it, I don't trust. I don't believe my wife, but I saw it. He don't want to talk about it. He cannot believe it. Can you imagine? You're sleeping, someone pull you out? All kinds of karma. So, for protection from these kind of things, the best protection is compassion. Have compassion for things that disturb other beings because they become spirits because they have not lived their life well and they become spirit, they're suffering. Have compassion for them. Don't harm, don't recite the old man's None of the Buddha's teachings and mantra is designed to hurt people, spirit, or ghost. compassion for the ghost because the ghost is harming you because he suffered. It's just like people. Some people yell at you, some people are rude, some people are mean because they become unhappy, they become habituated, they cannot happen. Ghosts is just people without bodies anymore. So don't do your mantras, harm them, or long rice out. Don't harm ghosts and spirits. Just ask them, can you please find a new house? Can you please go to heaven? Or, wherever you need to go. Can you please leave me alone because I'm a big fat chicken, please? Don't harm them. Don't recite mantras harm. If you recite mantras to harm ghosts, it's the same you harm people. The mantra won't harm because Buddha cannot harm. But your intention not good. Like, come back to them, recite mantra, we should come back to the well. And we should start even more well. No problem. Okay? So this last mantra is very powerful. We'll explain about the mantras more on the upcoming exciting Kechara videos. Get ready for that. Protection only. Om Benza Wiki.
Om Benza Wiki.
Vitana.
Vitana.
Rakya Hum.
Rakya Hum.
Om Benza Wiki Vitana.
Om Benza Wiki Vitana.
Rakya Hum.
Rakya Hum.
Om Benza Wiki Vitana.
Om Benza Wiki Vitana.
Rakya Hum.
Rakya Hum.
So I gave you the healing mantra, the long life mantra, the money mantra. No, not money. Increase of merit mantra, and then I give you the protection mantra today. So whichever, you say, which one should I do? Do the one you need the most. I give you an example. You got flu, take vitamin C. You don't got flu, take multivitamin. That's it. You got bone problem, osteoporosis or whatever, take vitamin D. You got skin problem, take vitamin D. You got eye problem, take vitamin E. You got no problem, take a multivitamin. You don't want to take multivitamin, never mind. So which one should you do? The one you need. Can you switch from one to the other? Sure you can. Because it's all going to the different forms of the protector. Does everybody understand? Do you need to set up an elaborate altar, move Kuan Yin around, put your protector, move over sister? No. You don't even need to set up altar. You don't want to set up altar, don't set up altar. Now how do you put it? You need to push your Taoist deities? No, put together. They're all friends. They share a drink together. Buddha and Jesus have lunch every day, really. If people say they hate each other, that's not them, that's us. Buddha and Jesus have lunch every day. For dinner, maybe Kuan Yin. I don't know, they have different dates. Okay, think like that. The gods never fight, we fight. The gods never teach hatred. We use them to spread hatred because we want power, and we shouldn't do that. Religion must be create peace, happiness, tolerance, understanding, always. And if other people tell you anything is bad or this religion is bad, say something. That's all, you don't have to fight. If you have enough knowledge, you can debate. If you don't have knowledge, it's better to go have a vegetarian. Wake up, yes. Okay, so that's the 5 mantras I've given you along with entourage. Which one? If you need a multivite, you do Om Benza Wiki Vitana Soha. If you need an individual one, then you do Om Benza Wiki Vitana City Home, Benza Wiki Vitana Ayu City Home, Om Benza Wiki Vitana Punyi City Home, Om Benza Wiki Vitana Rakya Home. So multivite is Om Benza Wiki Vitana Soha. Specifically, I already explained. Alright? And you do it well. Then you should all get a nice mala. You all should get this is called a mala. There's a nice mala everybody get. It should be 108. It can be of any materials. 21 separation, 21 separation, and 1 separation here. The 21, sometimes you do 21 mantras. Then when you do the mantra, you just do it like that. Do it like that. 1 mantra, 1 bead. Not 1 mantra, 5 beads. Buddha is smart. Buddha is fasted in Habakkuk. Okay, 1 mantra, 1 bead, 1 bead. Okay, like that. And then, when you do like that, you just go over the head. You go. Then you want to use left hand, you use left hand, you use right hand, right hand. Make sure your hand is clean. And if other people touch your mala, sure. You cannot touch your mala. You can't touch this. No, don't worry about that. There are certain things on you people shouldn't touch, but your mama okay. Because if you feel that bad energy, whatever, you don't have to feel bad energy, you can also hurt their feeling. You just take it back in when they're not looking, but it's okay. If you feel somebody has bad energy or want to hurt you, you don't hurt them. Buddhism tells you don't hurt people. If you can, don't hurt them. Then when they're not looking, they're not looking. No, really, if you have a newborn baby, recite the mantra to them immediately when they're born. Teach them. If someone has passed away, I'm sorry, then instead of crying, making a lot of noise, touch them here if you're allowed to, recite the mantra on their face, and ask the protector to come too. Okay? So you can do those kind of things. When you see animals, you love them, you feed them, you take care of them, it's wonderful. Recite mantras to them every day. And then go on, it will help the animals.